Hello and welcome to one more video of box info. Today we are going to unbox this Maona. It's very hard to pronounce this brand name here. So it's a pop filter used on your microphone to dampen your pop noise or the air coming from your nose or a mouth. And these are some specification written on the box here. It's a 2-screen pop filter, so it's a very good for my purpose here. So these are the manufacturer details here, and this is the stand which you can buy from the website. I'm going to unbox this my stand also, so stay tuned for that one. So let's unbox this microphone pop filter here. Let me just remove the box. Let me remove this plastic here. So this is the very premium and very lightweight also. So it's not a very cheap kind of a thing, as you can see the noise here. So it's a very nice mesh here. And this is the clamp here used to mount on your microphone stand or a table. So we have some padding also to prevent any scratches on your stand. So this is a very strong wire here. Usually they use a very low quality here, but this looks to be very good here. So I'm very happy with the product here. Wire is very strong and very smooth also. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to unbox the microphone stand also. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until then, Jai Hind.